In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote TVs with affiliate links through review videos on YouTube. If you want to turn product-focused content into potential earnings, one of the simplest methods is to combine a helpful video review with an affiliate platform that tracks clicks and purchases. The goal is to make your content genuinely useful while also making it easy for viewers to find the product through your custom link. To begin, join an affiliate platform that works with retail networks, or use an equivalent option like Amazon or Walmart affiliate programs if those are a better fit for your content and audience. When choosing a platform, look for one that gives you access to TV listings from trusted retailers and offers reliable link tracking. This matters because you want your viewers to feel confident clicking through to a familiar store, and you also want accurate reporting inside your affiliate dashboard. Once your account is ready, create a detailed TV review or comparison video. Focus on the areas viewers care most about before making a purchase decision. Spend time highlighting picture quality, including brightness, color accuracy, contrast, and motion handling. If the TV is relevant for gamers, cover gaming performance clearly as well. Talk about refresh rate, input responsiveness, HDMI features, and the overall experience for console or PC gaming. Then discuss value. Help viewers understand whether the TV is worth the price by comparing its features, performance, and overall experience against similar models in the same range. As you film, keep your explanation practical and easy to follow. Show the screen in different lighting conditions if possible, and make your comparison points clear so viewers can quickly understand who each TV is best for. The more specific and honest your review is, the more useful it becomes, and that usually leads to better viewer trust. After your video is prepared, go to your affiliate dashboard and generate your affiliate tracking link for the TV or TVs featured in the video. Double check that the link points to the correct product page because accuracy is important for both the viewer experience and your tracking results. Finally, place that tracked affiliate link clearly at the very top of your YouTube video description and also add it to a pinned comment. Putting the link in both places makes it easier for viewers to find it no matter how they interact with your video. Keep the wording simple and clear so people immediately know where to click if they want to check pricing or learn more. That's the full process for using TV review content together with affiliate links in a clean, viewer-friendly way.